Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing today? We're about to get started on the day, man. Market is up. News just came out. And we're going to take a look here. We had employment situation at 8:30. And it was obviously bullish, as we can see. Market is ripping right now. And we're going to get these charts ready for the day so we can scope out the best opportunities. Okay. And for today, actually, it's gonna be a very special day for us because we're gonna show the entries and all that, and how we manage trades, so you guys get a closer look at what's happening behind the screen. Here we go. So let's clear out these charts, man. Let's clear out the charts. Let's clear out the indicators and everything. So we have strictly naked price action. Let's go. Here we go. All right, right off the bat, we're gonna go into the hourly time frame. And we're just gonna mark up support and resistance. Got my coffee here ready to go, man. It's gonna be a great day today. Getting ready to make some money, that's for sure. Notice here on the ES, we're close to yesterday's highs. High of day. Looks like we had a bit of a trend line here coming down. We broke that. That might have been like this. All right. So we are bullish today. Yes, sir. Market straight ripping here. And I'm actually on some buys here at the moment. I'm actually in long here at 38s. Actually long here at 38s. Alright, I'm long here at the 38s. Yes, sir. Hopefully we get that sweep of the highs here, the break of structure of resistance, yesterday's high, or at the very least we'll get close to it. Just gonna follow this uptrend as much as we can. And let's see here. Let's go back to the hourly real quick. I just wanted to show you guys where I'm long right now on the on the NQ. Looks like we use this level of resistance here as support. Right. Where there was once resistance, there's now support, so I'm in there long. And let's go back up. 1 hour again. All right, so if we continue going trading higher, right? If we continue trading higher, I want to look for other levels of resistance back here that are up next after this one. So after this one, we have this one here. Got this one right here. And we got this right here. And then I'll have also this order block right here before the huge move down. Right, so basically what I'm doing is I'm marking up the last green candle, this green candle here, before the move down. So that's gonna be my bearish order block. So up here on the red, I'm gonna be looking to sell. Right. So now we got our levels. I think this is all we'll need for now. This doesn't look like it's gonna go down, so I'm not really gonna mark any other support levels down here. So we can go down to the 15 here. And we clearly got a break of structure right here. We broke that structure. Market could go up, pull back, go higher. It could pull back here, or it could just, if it's very strong, we might not get much of a pullback, and it could just keep going up higher and higher. All right, I'm still in there on those longs. Okay, 15. We'll mark this little area of rejection here. I like to mark those as well, just to get a closer look at what price is doing on the lower time frame once we start reaching this area. Let's see what else here. Everything looks pretty good. Everything looks pretty good. I think I will add one more trend line over here. One more area of support. And I want to get it to where I'm getting at least 3 touches on there. So let's just go like this. There we go. So that it looks valid. I'm touching here, 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 and here. So 4 touches, so that's a valid trend line there. And I think we're good here on the NQ. We are good. I like that this green candle closed above this previous high. So price is definitely still strong. It does that. You get a pullback when we close higher. It's a minor. I look at it as a minor breaker structure. So yeah, Still shows me bulls are in control. I don't want to see an engulfing red candle here. I'd like to see something smaller, indicating just a mild pullback to then continue higher. That'd be awesome. And aside from that, I think we're pretty done with the NQ. Good morning, good morning. What up, Ness? Smash, that's right, smash that like button, yo. Show some love out here. All right. Did you guys get all the levels on the NQ here? Make sure you got everything, because we're gonna be trading off of these key levels. We're gonna be looking to trade off of these key levels. Okay. I'm long right here. I don't know if you saw, but I'm long here. Ness, long here on the micros, and I'm up 480. I'm up 480. I'll show you guys real quick. Show you fellas real quick. Let me see if I can show this real quick for you guys. One sec, bear with me. There it is. I'm long here at the 20,041. 8 micros. Long here. I ended up adding, I think, 2 contracts. I brought my entry up a little bit because I added. So my entry moved up a little bit. What's it? It's like here now because I added 2 contracts. Alrighty. Ooh, we getting a good start to the day, man. I'm up 800, bro. Sheesh. I'm up 800. Let's go, yo. I'm gonna hold. Look at this breakout on the ES, guys. Look at this breakout on the ES. This is crazy. That breakout on the ES is wild. That shit is wild, man. Yes, sir. Let's go, man. Already started, man. Good start to the day. All right, let's mark the ES chart. ES chart. Okay, so the next resistance, right? We don't have any more resistance right here, so I have to go back. I have to go back to find more resistance levels. And we got this one right here. Okay. So after this level, I'm looking for price to push up here. And then I might find a key level over here as well, just in case. Let's see, man. Gotta get a good key level here. Kind of like this one right here. Because we had support here, resistance here, so this is a major key level where price might find support or resistance, so this one will be orange. Here we go. that's it, man. There you have it. We're ready to take our trades. We're getting a break of structure here to the upside. I'm expecting this might pull back eventually and then continue going higher. Woo, I'm up 1,000, yo. Let's go. I might just take this, man. I might just take it. I might just take it. What do you guys think? Should I take it? Should I hold? Should we hold? Should we hold? Come on. Uh-oh, it's pulling back a little bit. Not liking that. Not liking that. That's a ripping. Take it and run. Right? Take your money and run, man. It's a funded account, right? This is for keeps. This is for keeps. Okay, we're getting a little rejection off of that. Off of that red zone there. Not liking that. Not liking that. Well, this looks like a very strong trend here. I think we might be able, because if you see here, ES broke through the highs. Very strong. I think we can at least get up here. Okay. Which will give me about 1.5 my risk. Okay. What I was risking, what I could possibly take as profit. And what we'll continue to do here is, as the market, you see, as the market keeps going up higher, it pulls back. It pulled back here, then it moved up a little bit higher here, pulled back, moved up a little higher. So as long as it's continuing to create higher lows, I'm gonna continue to try to hold this as long as I can, see if we catch it. A nice move, maybe all the way up here. It's very easy to see money on the charts and want to take it right away. But you have to have a good balance, because you don't want to be greedy as well. You don't want to be greedy. Okay, that's a good close on that red candle there. So sellers are weak. That's a very strong close. On the hourly here on the ES, looks very good. That looks very good. Okay, so we got our levels on the ES. It looks like we might pull back, get a retest over here. So let's now mark the trend lines on the ES. Trend lines. We got this one down here. I think I marked this one up yesterday as well, but I like to just redo my charts every day so that I could get a nice clear view of what prices is doing. There we go. Actually get this. There we go. Yeah. Alright, what else do we have here on the charts? Ooh, we go higher. There we go. Going higher. Okay, let's have another trend line here. Just like that. Okay, now we're gonna go down to the 15. Take a quick look there. I think I might take profit here, man. I might just take profit here, yeah. Fuck it. I took profit there. I took profit there. I'm up. Where is it at? Oh, there we go. All right, easy. There we go. Yeah, I'm up 1,038 on that trade. Not bad. Not bad. This can always pull back, and I can just find another entry, and I can just re-enter. So I ended up taking about 1-to-1, posted about up here. Right, about a little bit more than what I was risking. Right. Not bad. Not bad. That's just the first trade of the day, yo. That's crazy. Alright, so we have this trade taken here. Put that aside there. Let's wait for another one. Let's wait for another one. Early Fortnite day. Yeah, that's for sure, man. That's for sure. Yep, that trade is officially closed. You know, this is the kind of thing that I be trying to describe to you guys, where like in futures you can come in. I was on the chart, not even. I came here. I was in front of the chart 8:30. Literally, I watched this go up at 8:30. I entered up here after this candle closed. I entered like around up here, and from 8:30 to 9 o'clock, 30 minutes, $1,000 up. You could be done for the day. You know, you can go to the gym. You could go take your kids to school. You could go. You can do whatever you want. You know, you got the entire day ahead of you. And this is where I like to get you guys to get to this point. Get to this point. But to get to this point, you're gonna have to go through some trials, right? You're gonna have to go through some trials. Because it took me 3 years and a lot of blown accounts. Right? This is just a few. This is just a few of them right here. This is just a few of them right here. Right? These are some of the accounts that I had in the past, and I've blown. So I've blown many accounts, but eventually you get to the point where now you can read the market very well. You know how to manage risk. So I just want to show you guys this. Okay, you know you're gonna take some losses, guys. You're gonna take some losses. It's gonna be hard work, but you're going to make some money. That's for sure too. If you stick to it long enough, you're gonna make hella dough, for sure. I'm just waiting here for another opportunity. The market is still kind of just consolidating a little bit here at this supply zone. So I'm just chilling here waiting for a valid setup. Okay, let's see what else we got going on in the news. I think there's another news coming out at 10 o'clock, is it? Yeah, 10 o'clock. Factory orders, 10 a.m. Eastern time. Buenos días, buenos días. Sí, ya comenzamos hoy. El mercado arrancó temprano. A las 8:30 hubo noticias, salió buena, subió el mercado, ya tú sabes. cogí este trade aquí, this trade right here, cogí un trade aquí, entré ahí y salí aquí arriba. So we have one good trade so far. We're chilling, man. Just chilling, waiting for the next opportunity. Oh yeah, let's add our indicators back on. I forgot to do that. There we go. Okay, we had a strong breakout on the ES, but we are seeing that the Nasdaq is lacking a little bit on breaking above that previous high from yesterday. Okay, we have a much faster, easier breakout here on the ES. So I could say ES is a little bit more bullish, I would say, than Nasdaq. And I'll say that because in here, right, would you want to be a buyer here? If you don't know yet if price is gonna just break through, right? Versus knowing that the price is capable of breaking through and perhaps having a pullback you could buy from. You can have a pullback here, that'll be great. I'll be looking to buy there. So I like this setup for buying better than buying up here. This makes more sense because the action of breaking past yesterday's highs letting us know that this move is very strong, and we're likely to go back to this fair value gap here on the ES. I come back and probably attempt to fill it and bounce back up. So far we've gained a higher low in every single candle, going higher here, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So you don't, it's very bullish. We might come down, but you also don't want to short this. Ooh. Look at that. We would have smashed the initial TP here, but like I said, I'm on a funded account. I just want to take some profit. I'm not really worried about what is it from here to here. Maybe a couple extra $100, maybe like $200 more. But it was a good trade. We got in good. But this thing's still going. We'll probably pull back at market open. Market will probably sell off to a buying zone and then look to go higher. Smooth. All right, let's take this off. Holy smokes. This thing is tripping, man. Did anybody take longs there? Viene de sorpresa, ya lo sabe. That's right. That's right. I just want to make sure, can you guys hear me okay? Does it sound good so far? Can you hear me better? Okay, perfect. Yeah, let me know if you guys hear anything as far as sound goes. Something sounds off or something. Let me know right away. I'll try to fix it best I can. No feedback today. Perfect. I love it. All right. Awesome, man. Appreciate the feedback. Appreciate the feedback. Yes, sir. Man, this thing is just keeps going. Just keeps going. Holy smokes. That's insane, yo. That is insane. Alright, so we have a very strong uptrend. Very strong uptrend. Does anybody know how we can buy this market? How can we buy this market? What's one simple way you could buy this market? Just very simple, not overcomplicating it. The simplest ways. There's at least 2 or 3. And some of it's already on the chart. Right? So the way I would buy this, one of the simplest ways that you can buy this market. And he said, pull back to the green zone with confirmation. That's correct. That is one way. That is one way. We're looking for a pullback. Retest this resistance area. And if we get confirmation that the price is starting to show us that it's acting like there's support there, and that's when we can go long here. That's one simple way you can buy this market. Another way that you could buy this market is if a price pulls back to the 21 EMA, I'm expecting it to bounce back up again. Same thing here. It's even better if we now have this fair value gap here on the 5-minute, and then we're hitting the 21 EMA on the 2-minute. That's even better. Now we have the 2 reasons why we should be buying it. And see if there's another way as well we can add to this. I would say if I know you guys haven't learned this one yet, but using the Fibonacci retracement, that's another way you can find where the market could pull back to. Okay. And I'm marking this last breaker structure from here to up here. And I'm looking at specifically these two lines right there. This one, 0.05, and this line right here, 0.618. And I'm looking for a pullback to this area right here as well. And let's mark that a different color there. So that's 3 ways. And then if it pulls back here, if I see buyers to buy here, buy here, and I can expect price to push back to these highs, or maybe push up here. So those are a few different ways that we can buy this market. Just a few. So it looks like we have a lot of things lined up here. We have the fair value gap, we have the 21 EMA, we have this Fibonacci retracement level here as well. So in here might be a great buy for the ES. We have a slightly different scenario here on the NQ because we have barely broke out of that high from yesterday. This is yesterday's high right here. That's yesterday's high of day. Okay, and we got a nice fair value gap here on the 15. Notice we don't have one in this area right here on the 5, but on the 15 we have a clean fair value gap. We can see from there. We can use that one. And then also use the Fibonacci retracement again from here to here. And it's kind of like overlapping the same zone, right? It's kind of overlapping the same area. All right. Take a closer look. See where we're overlapping, where it's darker. So I want to be looking to buy this little spot right here. Okay, so right there. One of my rules is not to trade during the 9 to 9:30 window. I don't like trading that little window of time because the market can get very choppy and it could just, you know, it'll get stupid slow, and it just doesn't make any sense to trade it, you know. Doesn't make any sense to trade. So let's just wait for this setup, get that nice pullback. Okay, let's take these arrows out of the way. Just want to make it nice and clear for us to see. All right, so do we have a game plan already for the day? All right, so what do you guys think? Will we go up or down at market open? Are you bullish or are you bearish? What's your thought? Bullish if we're going up, bearish if we're going down. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think? All right. Got a bolt for bullish. You got a bolt for bullish. Just one. Yeah, I think so too. I would put another bolt on bullish as well. So I think we may come down and then start to push up again. Maybe here. We got other levels up here. From here, if we get past this level right here, this market could shoot up all the way over there. So could be a crazy Friday, man. We already know how Fridays can be. See here we have a bit of a channel as well. It kind of all fits together. This will be like the perfect setup. For real. Right here, if we pull back, get some buyers in here. If this is an uptrend, right? If this is an uptrend, market will continue to climb higher. Right, so I'm looking to buy as slow. I want to buy as low as possible. If the market's going up, I want to buy low. See if we have the same. Yep, we got kind of like the same thing here on the ES. Okay, so let's move away. Move this up a little bit. All right. We're just hanging out, guys. We're just hanging out. Wait for the market open. Just chilling, man. Chilling. All right. Lenny, what's going on, man? How we doing? You ready to take some trades today, brother? All right. Okay, so we're gonna have a gap here on the Qs. We're gonna have a gap here. All right. Want to show you guys this real quick. We still got time. So market closed down here. Right, market closed down here, and then we're opening up here on this orange line. That's where the market is at right now. That's where the price is at right now. So we're gonna have this huge gap down below. We're gonna have this huge gap. Right, so that that gap being there, we have to be careful, right? We want to see that market pulls back, and hopefully we find support with its previous resistance for us to buy into. Right now, we're trying to see if this trend line holds up. If it doesn't, we may look for some kind of reversal down here, something like that. Ugh. Let's go, man. We're gonna make some money today, bro. I'm telling you, bro. But today we're gonna make some money. But first we gotta take good trades, right? We gotta take good trades. Market's still coming down a little bit. See? Getting a bit of a bounce on the 21 EMA. It's 9:29. We're about to open. Another 30 seconds. Okay, let's see. Alright, let's put back the ES here as well. Market is open. Will we go up? ES is retesting yesterday's high. ES retesting and rejecting yesterday's high. This is bullish action right here, but we must have some kind of closure to this candle, letting us know market's very strong. So far it's looking bit bullish but kind of weak here. We get a nice bounce off of this resistance, and now we're getting stronger. Ooh, there we go. That's the reaction we were waiting for. That's exactly what we were waiting for. Get a nice close. There we go. Nice strong close. I might take a try at this. I don't know. I don't like taking trades too close to open like this, honestly. But I might just try like 2 contracts just to give it a shot because it looks good. I'll give it a shot. 2 contracts. I'll give it a shot. Right there. We could go for a 1-to-1 on this. I think it could go higher, but still early in the morning. And market can sometimes be really crazy. We have a gap below as well, but this is a really good bounce off the 21 EMA. Also tapping into this fair value gap on the 5-minute. So I'm just feeling really good about it. I'm trying it 2 contracts, not too much risk. I might add more. If we get a clean break out of this high, then I might add a couple more. But I'm in right here. I'm in right here, guys. I'm in right here, longs. 2 contracts, not too much risk. Because I don't, I really don't, excuse me. I really don't like trading too close to open. I like to wait a little bit, maybe 10-15 minutes. I actually don't like that doji candle there. I actually don't like that doji candle. But let's just see. Okay. Either works or it doesn't. I think I keep my stop loss a little tighter here. Looking for this fair value guy to hold. Maybe they'll sweep this low and push it higher. Would like this to close weak. Okay, about to stop me out. Let's see. This fair value gap needs to hold, like I said. You got initially a very strong reaction off of it. I get stopped out here. You could leave your stop right here if you want, below this candle low. If you want it tighter, you can keep it here. It's just based off of preference, what you like better. Do you want to give this a little more space to work? Do you want to tighten it up? It's up to you. It's up to you how much you want to risk. So almost stopping me out. There, it stopped me out there. Only 2 contracts, so not bad. Just a small loss there. Just a small one. It's trying to fill that gap now. Just chilling here, not gonna chase this. Watch it now turn right back up, of course. Checking out the 5 minute. This looks like a nasty rejection here. Nasty rejection on the 5 minute. Damn. Oh. Nice. Very strong reversal here. Very strong reversal here. Very strong reversal. I'm liking this. I'm liking this push up right here. I'm liking this push up. I want to see this candle close nice and strong. I want to see this candle close strong. I'll go long again. I'll try another long. Like it if we close back in this channel. Back in the channel. Great. Close back up in the channel. Nice strong close. I might take this. Yep, let's go. We in there. We in there. We in there, guys. We in there. Let's try these longs right here. And 1 or 2. What do you guys think? 1 or 2? Let's go for it, man. Let's go for it. Buyers are strong right now. I'm liking how the ES is moving as well. Because this is what look at how this came down, right? Came down so strong, right? Bait you to sell. Look how screwed would you be if you sold during this move down, and you see this immediate reversal right here, right? You'll be cooked, right? You'll be scared as shit. So everybody who got in on shorts thinking, okay, the gap's gonna fill, didn't probably take in consideration this is a very bullish move up this morning. Let's put this up a little bit. Right there. Expecting a push above these highs right here. Expecting a push above the highs. Yes, sir. Just gonna wait patiently. My stop is down here. You can either put it below the green candle, you put it down here. I'm gonna put mine down here. I'm gonna give this some space to maybe chop around if it needs to and move up. Yeah, I see this little trend line here we're about to break out of on the ES. Oh no, that's not good, not good. Come on, ES, break up. Break to the upside, yo. See. It's not looking good. I like for this to stay above the 21 EMA. If we kind of close below it, not a good sign. Maybe I'll cut up some contracts here. I'll lower my size a little bit just to manage risk. But if we stay above, then we're good to go. Stay above, we're good. Hey, that's what we like to see. Come on. Push it up. Oh, shit. Coming down here. All right, I might cut half here if we close below that 21 EMA. And then I'll hold on to the rest. Just being ready for anything. That's all I'm doing. I'm just trying to be ready. If this is coming down, I'm ready for it. If it's going up, I'm ready for it. I like that we made this higher low, right? Because we have this low here, low here, low here. If we close above this highs right here, it's good. We're golden. If we close above these highs right here, we're golden. ES needs to break above this trend line here. Okay, we're gonna push lower here. Maybe they'll fail. Let's see. As long as it looks like a higher low, we're good. Right? So if we put the line chart, we got a low here, a lower low here, and it looks like we're creating a higher low here. So this is the point where it starts to reverse. Low, lower low, higher low. This is now the point where the downtrend becomes an uptrend. Can y'all see that? So that's why we need to close above this high right here. It will confirm that this low is real, this higher low, but price needs to close above. It'll then confirm this is a higher low. If we do not close above here and now starts to go down, it'll confirm that this is now a lower high. Lower high, right? High, lower high, lower high. So if we close above this higher here, this will be a higher low. And I'll take this off and kind of clear up the chart here. We see that there was a fair value gap here on the 5-minute. Sorry, 15. It was 15-minute. 15-minute. And price came down very strong, but look at where the body of that green candle closed, right? The body of that green candle closed above the fair value gap, meaning that move down, that strong move down, it's very likely to be a fake move, manipulation, if you want to call it, or rejection. Going back to the 5, going back to the 2, go back to the 2. You just need to close above here. We're good to go. If not, this could be coming down here. Sellers are very strong here. We're kind of breaking out of this uptrend here. I'm gonna cut half. Cut half my size. If we close below, we have to close below though, because this could very easily squeeze back up. Close below, I'm gonna cut half. Let's try to protect my capital. Sales are very strong. Might close it here at these lows. Close it here at these lows. No way. No way. Will this reverse? It's gonna reverse. No freaking way. Sticking to the plan here, guys. Just being patient. Yeah, of course, I want to close it. As soon as I see this candle, of course, I want to close it. But I'm trying to see my plan through. If it fails, it fails. It's 9:49. So we do have already a range. There it is. 15-minute range. Yo, it's reversing, yo. Oh, snap. No way, bro. Buyers are back in, bro. Buyers are back in. We still in there. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, snap. Buyers are back in, yo. Oh, no. Wow. Wow, I can't believe that. I can't believe that. They did us dirty. They did us dirty. It was trying to look so good. They did us dirty, man. They did us dirty. All right, let's take this off the screen. Close that. Now rip it back up. We're attempting to break below the 15-minute range. Attempting to break below the 15-minute range. Will it break? Will it break, guys? Will it break? Nope. Looks like buyers are still holding this up. It's crazy. That's nuts. No way, man. Stopped us out, not turning around. Classic Nasdaq. Classic Nasdaq. That's why I love it. It's such a challenge to trade the Nasdaq, really. It's such a challenge. And if that's not the reason why you like trading it, I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. Just waiting patiently here. It looks like it's not reversing. It was probably stop hunting, right? Stopping out all the traders. The bait. This, you know, this is the bait right here. Launch the bait. Eliminate. And then now, Nasdaq does this very often. It launches the bait, right? Gives you the bait. All right, they took the bait. Stop them out. This is where we're going to enter. Boom. Perfect entry. That's how they do it, man. I think I'm going to start incorporating this into my strategy, right? Placing my entry where my stop loss is. Because look, perfect entry. Perfect entry. If you just enter where your stop is, perfect entry. Now they just rip it back up all the way to the sky. And they're good. That's crazy. That is crazy, man. So first we need one of these highs to get taken out. We need one of these highs to buy into this. Now I'm looking for the confirmation first, because I don't want to keep getting played. So I want these highs to get taken out, and then I'll look for a pullback. So I want price to close above one of these highs, right? Close above one of these highs here. And then I'm looking for longs. If we don't close above any of these highs, forget it. Forget it. They're just gonna trap you in there. Drop the market right on your shit. We got news in 3 minutes. Let's wait until after the news. I think this is gonna come down. We're gonna try to fill that gap. Right? We never managed to break above this high here. We broke this uptrend. So now I'm looking for market to go down. I'm not looking for market to go up anymore. Because if we was gonna go up, we would have managed to stay above these highs right here before above yesterday's highs. But if we cannot close above any of these highs here, then market's gonna go down. Let's wait until after 10 o'clock. Let the news come out first. All right, 7 o'clock. Let's see how the market will react. Still looks bearish for now, but I think this wants to go up. For some reason, why it's been chopping around here so long. All right, they were so strong. It's like, where's the strength though? Once we got to this VWAP right here on the ES, once we got to this area down here of support, going up. We took out the previous high. The report came out positive. So if we get this close above here, will be sweet. Even better if we close above these highs here, or maybe even wait until we break out and then pull back here, retest. This will probably be the most ideal trade. Ooh, that's a very strong push there. Nice. I think I'm gonna jump in here. This looks very strong. Just waiting for that strong closure of that candle. Just waiting for a strong close of that candle. All right, we're breaking out over here. We're breaking out of this trend line on the ES. Strong breakout of that candle. Strong breakout. News came out positive, so I'm gonna take a long here. All right, we have a lot of volume here on this break out of this trend line here, breaking out of the trend line. Would like to see a strong closure. Yep. You can take a long here. Here will be our first target. Target 1. Here we go. Target 1. Target 1. Oh no, we want to see that breakout, clean breakout. It's gonna go up. They just playing us. They just playing us. They're just playing us, man. Yeah. Well, anyways, yeah, we'll wait for this. If you want to wait for this pullback, that's up to you. All right. If you want to wait for this pullback, break above and a pullback, that's up to you. I'm already in longs there. Like I said, we broke above this trend line. Broke above it. High volume. News came out positive. You know, just adding all the pieces of the puzzle. We got a follow-up candle. We got a follow-up candle here. Strong follow-up. That'd be great if it closes even higher. This could also, instead of pulling back here and retesting at these highs, we could pull back also to this trend line and go higher from here. We could pull back here and not pull back here. Right. We may not always get the perfect setup, but we can start to think bullish when resistance is broken. This is why I initially wanted price to close above these highs as it was pushing here. Because if we break the structure to the upside, then the sellers wouldn't be as motivated to sell, right? Who would want to be selling here now that we broke these highs, right? Broke 1, 2, like almost 3 of these highs. I know it's yesterday's high of day, so price can potentially sell off from here. We have a gap below, so I'm considering that too. But I'm also considering that we had a strong move up here at open, before open, and we created some higher lows here, from down here to up here. So we are, in a sense, in an uptrend here, going higher. Okay, we're above the 21 EMA. We're above the 200 EMA. Clean this up a little bit here. There we go. Now we just wait patiently, man. We just wait patiently. Take it easy. Give it some space. And we may pull back and retest this. Looks like a double bottom here. We could pull back and retest. That's pretty much it. Get this up a little bit. There we go. Oh, snap! Did the music stop? Hold up, hold up, hold up. We gotta fix that right away, man. We need some music going on here. All right. How we doing, man? How's everybody doing? We chilling, man. We chilling. We chilling. We ready to make some money? What's good? There it is. That's the move. That's the move. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm adding to my position. I'm adding more. Adding more. So I'm seeing strength off of this. This is the previous day high, but it's also the high of the 50-minute range. We got a strong break to the upside. I'm adding to my positions. Adding to my winners. We add to the winners, guys. We add to the winners. We add to the winners. That's what we do. I added to my winners. I'm going heavy on this one. Going heavy on this one. Let's go. Come on, man. Jump in, yo. Let's get it. Let's get it, man. All or nothing. Full port. I'm gonna full port this right now. Full port. No, I'm chilling. I'm joking. I'm joking. Take it easy, Nasdaq. Take it easy, yo. I was joking. Damn. I was just joking, man. Take it easy. Easy. There we go. There we go. Come on. They joke. They playing with us, man. They playing with us. They playing with us. I want to see that the 21 holds, the 21 EMA holds. I want to see the 21 EMA hold. I want to see the 21 EMA hold. It's kind of pulling back. He's trying to scare us. It's about to push back up now. 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 Yes, sir. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. We going sky high, baby. Call your grandma. Tell her get on the longs. Everybody get on the longs. Come on, everybody. Call your cousins, your grandma. Call your kids. Call your teachers. Tell them all go long. This thing about to rip, man. This thing about to rip. Let's go, man. Shit. It's gone. We closed above the overnight high right here. We closed above the overnight high. We closed above the 50-minute range. We're above the EMAs. We're above the VWAP. I mean, everything's pointing up, man. You know, they try to sell it to make us think they're gonna fill the gap. And you know, once they faked us out pretty good, now they make a nice move up. This thing's gonna go. This thing is gonna go, man. This thing is gonna go. There we go. This thing's gonna go, man. I try to tell y'all, it's gonna go. That's it. Target 1. And then we got, we don't even know where target 2 is, because I looked back, there wasn't really any resistance up here, so this might be a smooth sailing from then on up. But what I will do, because I don't have resistance levels here, I'll just use the pivot point here on the TradingView, and that'll give me another key level here to watch out for. Doesn't mean price is gonna reverse, but it's just a level to watch out for. So this will be target 2. So let's name that target 2. Target 2. Easy. Alright? And then where else? Target 3 up here? Who knows? Oh god. Who knows? We'll just trail it. We'll leave some runners after we reach target 2. We'll leave some runners. And that's it. That's all we gotta do, man. Just follow the plan. Yo, what up, Ness? We on longs, man. You get in on that? Got my entry right here. So as a takeaway lesson for next time, what we'll do is we had the right idea, right, of market wanting to go up. But for next time, what we'll do is we'll be cautious of any trend lines, right? Buying upon a breakout of the trend line. And we'll avoid getting in on longs before we do that. So taking this engulfing green candle here as a buy, we'll be careful doing that. All right, we'll wait for the breakout. And that's it. We continue to adjust and get better over time. All right, we're pulling back. We're retesting yesterday's high. I'm looking for this to act as support. Oh, shit. No good, no good. We need to see buyers stepping in here, holding that support. We need to see buyers holding the support. Come on, buyers. Yes, sir. That's what we want to see. Long rejection there. Buyer stepping in. That's it. That's it. Come on, buyers. Both the news that came out this morning were both bullish. So let's just have faith in our strategy here and let things work out. Let's go into the 2-minute time frame. I just want to take a closer look here. What's going on? Okay. There we go. So yeah, we definitely want to see this area of resistance here hold up as support. We want to see this hold as support now. We want to see support here. There it is. Hold support. Hold it. Let's hold it. This is for sure going higher. Let's go. Has to go up. It's the only thing that makes sense right now. But of course, they have to run through lows, previous lows, stop people out. as we go higher here. Let's go. There we go. Buyers are still here. They're still there. You just need to hold above the 21. Hold it above. Hold it above. There we go. There we go. Beautiful candle. Beautiful candle. Beautiful candle. Beautiful candle. Come on. Come on, buyers. Rip this shit, man. Rip it. Sky high, baby. Sky high. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Yes. Let's go. It's up from here on up. It's up. That's it. That's it. Beautiful candle. Right there. If you didn't enter calls yet, you can enter here, man. Beautiful candle. Oh my God, dude. This thing is ripping. This thing is ripping so hard, dude. Holy shit. Holy smokes. This thing is ripping, brother. Beautiful setup, man. Beautiful setup. We're seeing buyers have strength above yesterday's price. Okay? So just think about that for a second. Yesterday's high. Here's yesterday's high. It's yesterday's high, and we're having buying strength above yesterday's high. For now, at least. Okay? So that's a clear indication that this is gonna go up. Candle looking sexy, Rip City. For sure, man. For sure. Beautiful candle. There it is. We continue the rip. We continue the rip, y'all. We continue the rip. We continue the rip, man. Now it's just pretty much just, you know, keeping track of the trade, kind of just, you know, keeping an eye on it. Trailing the lows. Yes, sir. All right, we're seeing a little bit too much selling here. A little bit more than what I'm comfortable having here at these highs. So we gotta be careful here. We just want to make sure this continues to create higher lows here. Be careful here. There's a whole lot of selling happening right here. This is a low. We want to see a higher low. Let's turn back up again. Not liking that candle. Could just be a trap. Just be a trap. Nasty candle. But we're still above this low right here. There's a bit of a demand zone right here, so that's why we have this green box. So we should see buyers easily push this back up. Buyers should be pushing this back up. Buyers, come on. Where y'all at? Buyers taking a little nap here. Yeah, I want to see buyers close above this red candle high. Candles letting us know that the minor structure is now to the upside. Break the resistance level here. Some minor resistance. Will the buyers do it? Will they do it? It's straight gonna take a while, guys, for sure. So just be patient here. It's gonna take a while. It's gonna take probably 30 minutes or so, maybe more, maybe an hour. But it's going. So far, everything's looking good. All right, we failed to close above that high, but we're still trying to push up there. I took some profits as it started to come back a little bit, so I'm not holding my full position. Right? When we have profits, I try to take some, right? Try to take some as you're going up. But this is still looking good. It's still looking good from the buy side. We just need to close above. So you can see we're still holding above the 21 EMA. And then we just kind of want to see price. Okay, we can pull back. But as soon as we don't pull back and take out the lows, we should be okay. All right. I say be careful here. We close below the 21. I said we wanna see price hold above the opening range high. So be careful. We cross below. Sellers are attempting to break below the 21 to keep failing. Now the buyers are pushing pretty strong, pretty hard. Very strong. Yes, sir. That's what we want. That's what we want. That's what we want, guys. That's what we want. It's game over for these guys, yo. They want to play with us, man. They want to play with us, but they can't. It's gonna rip. It's going to rip, yo. Come on now. Let's go. Come on, buyers. What are you all doing? You're playing with us. Jesus. They're playing with us, man. This market, man, doesn't seem to amaze me one day. Careful there, careful. This is way too much, way too strong for my liking. All right, so let's increase the time frame a little bit. I want to see a little bit clearer what the 5-minute time frame looks like. But we continue to get these long wicks here. So looks like every time the market comes down, they're buying the dip. Yes, sir. Let's see here. But sellers are pretty strong right now, so we got to be careful there. See if we find a valid trend point. Where does it make sense? Where does it make sense? Okay, we're continuing to hold the high of the 50-minute range. So as long as we continue to hold there, should be okay. should be okay. Surprise Friday, that's for sure. That's for sure. Alright, we should start going up anytime soon now. We should start going up anytime soon now. All right, it's 10:45 a.m. We should be seeing some movement now. Market usually slows down around 11, so it looks like we're in a bit of a range here. We are in a range here. Okay, we are in a range right here. That's why markets is buying strongly and selling strongly at the same time. We just kind of caught in this range. Okay, might see a breakout here. This area of demand is still holding up. Looks like the buyers are still here. We're seeing some strength there on the push higher, which is pretty good for us on the buy side. Again, still holding above the 21 EMA. We're looking good. Yeah, unfortunately, we caught in this stupid range right here. So price is not gonna move. We're not really gonna get a nice smooth trend until we break out of this consolidation here. I think this trend line is more like here. All right, there we go. That looks about right.
Just one simple.
Come on, man. Getting sleepy here. This breakout's taking an awful long time. It's making me think now it's gonna probably fail. This might be a good time to move the stock to break even. If you feel you want to be risk-free. If you want to be risk-free, let's move the stock to break even. And then now you're in a risk-free trade here. Careful here, guys. Market's pulling back. We're pushing strongly below the 21. We're breaking below the range. Onto support here. This good fake can go up still, by the way. Okay, we didn't get candle close below the range. We did not get it close below the range. right. It's about to be 11, man. See what you guys saying over here. Oh shit, I didn't even see that. Trying to open to negotiating with Trump 2 minutes ago. But you have to stop. Oh, I moved the stop to break even. I moved the stop to break even here. So I got stopped out. Hopefully that pushes to the moon. I have to go out for a little. Alright, no worries, no worries. Yeah, we're about to finish the stream almost in a few minutes here. It's 10:55 and this is kind of just consolidating for a very long time. So usually I don't like to trade this kind of market. But if it starts to move here, we can keep going, you know, try to make some money today. But if not, you know, we'll come back later or Monday next week. But want to try to stay away from this chop right here. And it's just taking an awful long time to get going. Looks like we want to push back up here again. So yeah, I got out. I got stopped out. If we close above this range, then I'll jump back in. But yeah, I got out. This is just chopping for way too long. It's just dragging and dragging on. I mean, you know, we want to trade when the market's good. We want to see movement in the market, not this chop here, chop in the morning, chop in here. Getting close to the afternoon. The ES isn't really doing much either. It's kind of just chopping around. Same thing, a range. So yeah, it's just kind of slow, man. Really, it's just a bad time to trade, to continue to trade, because we took a good entry here. But to look for more trades right now, it's just choppy. Yeah. Yeah, we probably might pull back to this level here. Come back up. If not, I'll probably look for something like this. Probably comes down and we reject off of this high right here. Yesterday's high. It's looking rough out there, man. Chop is crazy. Chop is looking crazy. Chop, not even the right term. Oh god. Tú su matadero for real, yo. Yeah, we're finally getting the break. Jesus. Let's see if it now closes though. Let's see if it now closes. We got a clean close above the range, so this could be a confirmation that we're going higher. We never took out this low right here. We're getting confirmation, closure above the range. Watch this just freaking fly, man. Watch this thing just fly. What a chop fest, man. Finally we break out. That was the longest chop I've ever seen in my life. I want to be done before noon, y'all. Me too. Me too, man. I'm there with you. I might just take my first target here. Right? I jump back in on this one right here, on this closure above. Right. This was the initial trade. I'll remove that. I took another try here, stopped very tight. And I'm just going for a 1-to-1 on this one. Just a 1-to-1. Because now my entry's not as good as it was earlier. So I'm keeping my wrist tight. And I'm taking a quick scalp here on the way up. And I'm done. If it stops me out, this is my last trade. Looks like market's reversing. Oh shit. We might be in trouble here, guys. This is my last trade. If I get stopped out, that's it. No more trades today. It is dragging a flag. It's going to break soon. Drawing a flag. Drawing a flag pattern. Yep. Yep. We got a little flag right here. That's right. Let's see. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day there, man. This thing is dragging way too long. Yeah. It's a very slow Friday. It's not the Friday we thought would be, but it's cool. We caught we got a win in the morning over here. We took 2 losses at open, and then another win. I caught this move here in the morning. We took another trade here. Oh, sorry, not there. We took another trade here. We lost on that one. And then we took another try. What was it? On this one right here. We got stopped out, and then it reversed right on us, of course. And then this one right here, which was pretty good. Alright, was able to get some profits. We had 2, I'll call these 2 winning trades, 2 losses. Not bad. We'll go ahead and close this out for the day. If you wanna stay in this trade, just trail the lows. I would trail the lows. So this is a low here, there's a low here, it's a low here. So I would just trail the lows until you get stopped out. And that's pretty much it, man. Market's kind of slow right now, not really doing much. Good time to take a break, go over your trading plan. How many trades did you take? I took 4 trades. You know, which ones worked, which ones failed, where do we need to adjust? We found out, yeah, we need to wait for a clear break of this resistance whenever we trade, just like here, same thing here. Right, whenever trading with the trend, if you have a trend line coming down, okay, we look for the pullback to the 21, but then also be aware that there's a trend line coming off of the highs, trend line coming off of the highs, trend line coming off of the highs here. Okay, so we'll take some notes for that. Bring that experience with us next week. And with that, we'll conclude our trading session for the day. It's Friday, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Turn up, drink some beers or whatever, exercise, whatever you like to do, and stay positive, man. We're gonna take losses in this game, no matter what. The losses are always gonna be there. But what we could do is we could choose how we deal with these losses, how we move through these losses. Okay. So with that being said, guys, thanks for joining the live today. Let's see, iPhones, good luck. Closed and broke 2%. All right, not bad. Not bad, man. 2%. It's something, right? It's positive. So take it with you. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend, guys. Peace.